actually just gonna break these noodles up and toss them in. Break them up.
Did you talk to the Italians about this?
We'll have to meet them in the
We
comments.
apologize to the Italians. Welcome to Meals from Memory, the show where we ask the best chefs we know their can't miss go-to weeknight meals. Erin, what are we cooking today?
It's a layerless skillet lasagna. I love it with chicken. It's super easy for a weeknight and just takes about 40 minutes.
Yum.
I would say that the most important ingredient in this recipe is no-boil, oven-ready lasagna noodles.
I didn't know this was a thing.
It really cuts down on time, great pantry staple. And then next we have these chopped Calabrian peppers.
Ooh,
Have you tried
a little
these?
spice. I have not.
I love spice, and this is a really great way to add a ton of flavor into a dish in a short amount of time.
Fabulous. Okay, so we start by sauteing a whole bunch of spinach. All of it?
All of it.
All right.
If you could just salt this a little bit, because otherwise spinach won't really taste like too much, so you want to season in layers. And we're using the same pan for everything, which I love.
Tell me the story of this recipe.
Well, my mom worked full-time while I was growing up, and she was the queen of shortcut meals and getting dinner on the table fast. This was one of her signatures. She never measured a thing though, which has become a pretty big challenge for me.
My mom has the same issue where every time I ask her for a recipe, it's like a pinch of this, a dash of that,
Of course.
cook it until it changes color, and I'm like, I don't know what that means.
Yeah,
but,
always. But the
we'll
best
get there.
kind of cook.
We'll get there.
So we're gonna let that keep browning, and we're gonna chop up our shallot and our garlic.
We're gonna microplane our garlic just to make it even more like a paste and even more.
I love doing this because you also won't end up with any chunks of garlic, and it actually makes it more flavorful, and it just saves a lot of time. So I'm just gonna cut a few slices, and this doesn't have to be perfect because you're gonna give this enough time to cook down a bit with the chicken, and it's gonna get a bit caramelized and just add a really great depth of flavor to the sauce.
So this is the part of lasagna that freaks me out, is like that like delicate layering. So is that what we're doing?
Not at all. This is definitely not traditional. We're actually just gonna break these noodles up and toss them in. Break them up. We could just add it directly in, and you just wanna make about 2-inch pieces, and it's all gonna taste the same.
I'm not like a purist in the kitchen, as you guys know, but there is something very sacrilegious about this. You know that meme that's like, when I remember I have free will? It's like that.
It's totally like that. Perfect. That could not have gone better. No mistakes. You truly can't mess this up. Oops. It's also fun. Cooking has to be fun, right?
At its best, cooking is play and creativity.
And food is truly the ultimate love language. I know my grandma and my mom taught me that from a very young age, and it's really the ultimate way of showing love. Getting close to the end, now we're gonna take our spinach that we had sitting. I'm gonna take this and squeeze all of that excess moisture out right here. You don't want this to get into the cheese mixture and make it ready. You want it to be really creamy and fluffy and delicious.
I might sneak in a little extra because I like extra cheese.
Always a good idea. That looks beautiful. I'm gonna add some parm in here now. So we're doing about 2 tablespoons right in here.
So it feels like we're just building the flavors, like
Totally.
with different kinds of cheese, even adding some salt to the cheese.
Exactly. Just layering all that flavor. And then one secret ingredient that I think really adds a nice flavor here is nutmeg.
Wow, look at that.
How much do you like?
It's so pretty. Okay, time to dollop?
Yes, so this has been going for about 7 minutes, and as you can see, the noodles are a little bit soft, a little bit pliable. It's still gonna continue to cook in the oven, but it's looking great already, and it smells so delicious.
So good.
That looks beautiful. So now we're gonna pop this into the oven.
All right, so our lasagna has been baking for 15 minutes, broiling for a minute, so super quick. Shall we give it a look?
Let's do it.
Oh my goodness.
It looks
this
so
looks
good.
So good. Oh my God, look at that.
It's amazing.
It smells so good.
How hungry are you?
I'm very hungry.
Okay, perfect. I'm gonna give you a nice
So don't be shy.
chunk. I won't be.
All the layers. Yum, look at that.
Pile that right up.
Okay, I think I just made the perfect bite.
That looks amazing.
Cheers.
Cheers.
So good.
Yay.
I'm gonna need a minute to process how good this is.
I love it.
It's so good. I love the layers of flavor. It's so good. All right, well, I'm about to enter a food coma when I finish off most of this. So before that happens, I just wanted to thank you so much for being here, for teaching me this meal that means so much to you. It was just such a pleasure cooking with you.
Oh, well, thank you so much for having me. I was honored to be here and to share this with you, and I had so much fun cooking together.
I had so much fun too. If you loved this episode, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you'll never miss a recipe. Let us know in the comments what dish you make from memory, and join us next week for another delicious story.